Now let's see, the Carl invested certain amount of money for 1 year, some of which earned interest at a simple annual interest rate of 2.2% and the rest of which earned a simple annual rate of interest of 2.5%. So 2.2%, 2.5%, and if the amount of money that Carl invested for the year earned a total of $680 in interest, that means if the rate of interest is minimum, then the investment should be maximum, and if the rate of interest is maximum, then the investment should be minimum, which means I can say that 2.2% of maximum investment should be equal to $680, and likewise I should be able to say that 2.5% of minimum investment should be equal to $680. By simplifying these two calculations, I am going to find out the minimum and maximum investment. So let's just do that. So maximum investment will be 680 times 100 divided by 2.2, increasing a 0, removing this decimal, dividing it by 2, dividing it by 2, 340. 340 divided by 11, let's just divide in the usual way, 11. So approximately 30 times 330, and then you have 30 point something. So we can say that the total amount multiplied by 1000, that means it has to be, the maximum amount has to be about 30,000, not more than that, right? It should be actually 30.9, but it will not be 31, understand? So it will be 30.9, that means very very close to 31,000, but it will not be greater than that, it will be less than that. That means 31,284 is not a possible investment. Now let's do the other calculation. That means let's increase a 0, remove the decimal, this cancels at 40 times, so the minimum investment will be 680 multiplied by 40. Let's just multiply them. So 26200, so it should be greater than, that means the investment must have been greater than 26200, should be less than 31,000. First part is not possible, second is the only possible investment, hence B option turns out to be the right answer. The only difficult part in this calculation was actually simplifying these parts, otherwise I think everything was quite easy. And yes, understanding that when the rate of interest is minimum, then the investment should be maximum for a constant output. I hope you enjoyed the explanation. Thank you so much for watching it.